865 species in genus Phyllanthus. October 8th. Phyllanthus, the stonebreaker plant, represents October 8th. Phyllanthus symbolizes healing and resilience. You possess an inner strength that helps you overcome challenges and bring comfort to others. Like its medicinal qualities, your presence is restorative and nurturing, offering a sense of renewal to those around you. A deep dive into the diverse world of Phyllanthus. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always fascinated by the sheer diversity of the plant kingdom. One genus that has particularly captured my attention is Phyllanthus, a vast and varied group with a global presence. From the tropics to the subtropics, these plants have carved their niche in a myriad of environments, showcasing an incredible array of forms and functions. Join me as we delve into the intriguing world of Phyllanthus, exploring its unique characteristics, diverse species, and fascinating adaptations. What makes Phyllanthus unique? Phyllanthus is a large genus belonging to the family Phylanthaceae. The name itself, derived from the Greek words phyllan, leaf, and anthos, flower, hints at a unique characteristic of these plants. Their flowers and fruits often appear to grow directly from the leaves or stems. This is due to a modified stem structure called a phylloclade, which resembles a leaf and performs photosynthesis. This adaptation is just one example of the remarkable diversity within the genus. Phyllanthus encompasses a wide range of growth forms, including herbs, shrubs, trees, and even vines. Some species are deciduous, shedding their leaves seasonally, while others remain evergreen. This variability is a testament to the genus's adaptability, allowing it to thrive in diverse habitats, from arid deserts to lush rainforests. A kaleidoscope of species. The sheer number of Phyllanthus species is staggering, with estimates 865. This diversity is reflected in the wide array of appearances and adaptations within the genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ecological significance. Phyllanthus plays a vital role in various ecosystems around the world. Their fruits and seeds serve as a food source for a variety of animals, including birds, mammals, and insects. Some species have also formed specialized relationships with certain insects, such as the leaf flower moths, Epicephala spp, which pollinate the flowers and lay their eggs in the developing fruits. Furthermore, Phyllanthus species contribute to soil health and nutrient cycling. Their leaf litter decomposes, enriching the soil with organic matter. Some species are also known to have nitrogen-fixing capabilities, enhancing soil fertility. Economic importance. In addition to their ecological value, Phyllanthus species have significant economic importance. As mentioned earlier, several species are cultivated for their edible fruits, which are consumed fresh or processed into various products. Other species are valued for their medicinal properties, providing a source of traditional remedies for a wide range of ailments. Moreover, some Phyllanthus species have potential applications in modern medicine. Research has shown that certain compounds extracted from these plants exhibit antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-cancer activities. These findings highlight the potential of Phyllanthus as a source of novel pharmaceuticals. Conservation concerns. Despite their widespread distribution and adaptability, some Phyllanthus species face threats due to habitat loss, overexploitation, and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these valuable plants and maintain the ecological and economic benefits they provide. Future directions. The genus Phyllanthus holds immense potential for future research and applications. Further investigation into the medicinal properties of various species could lead to the development of new drugs and therapies. Additionally, exploring the genetic diversity within the genus could help identify traits that enhance resilience to climate change and improve crop yields. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of Phyllanthus, we are likely to discover even more fascinating aspects of this diverse and valuable genus. Its adaptability, ecological significance, and economic potential make it a crucial component of the plant kingdom, deserving of our attention and conservation efforts.